Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are back with Matplotlib. So alright, here we go. Import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. So alright, we are going to look at the title function, and that's pretty self-explanatory. It's going to be how to title a graph with Matplotlib. And if you're new here, that's what we do. We do one subject, possibly two at a time. So all right, help. Actually, let's just look at dir on PLT, and it lives right, boom, there. So help plt dot title. All right, so it takes, and I just want you to look at this. So all right, takes one argument, and it states, boom, right here, string. So we have to give it a string, and then these are optional arguments. We have not touched on this yet, but we've looked at LOC for location. We know those. We know where to find that. Here we go, and that is defaults to center if it's left out. But we have got to, of course, give it a string. But this is just going to be a real quick video today. Just wanted to make you guys aware of it and show you. Let's just pull up the last stuff. Oops, copy, paste, then plt dot show. All right, so we do that, and here we go. So we know where the legend goes. It goes there. It's going to be best, but here, plt dot title, and boys and girls height and weight. Close that out. Lo and behold, run that again, and there we go. Title right at the top. So something pretty cut and dry, self-explanatory, but we have not done it yet, and that is what we do here. Let's close this out, and we'll look at the other arguments later, because we're just going to do one thing at a time. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, the notification bell. If you are new here, if you have not joined us, please do. And we'd love to hear some comments, questions, or my absolute favorite, any video requests below, because that is the lifeblood of this channel. We get a lot of good feedback, a lot of good videos. I think it was last week, I think it was nothing but requested videos. So thank you very much. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye, guys.